Today we talk about how can you book on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to book on your app. So you just go down here, you click here on book here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. And here can you select here any hotels you want to book. I'm going to click here in this, for example, here. So then it's going to take you to this list here, just waiting to open with you. So then here can you select room here, just click on it. So then here can you select room. So in this list I'm going to click here on select this room here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then here add all here, so information about your room here in the how in select nice you want to stay, and here you click here on book now here. When you just saw you have here this information, then when you just click here on book, it's going to show for you a list to add your card information, then it's going to book with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.